Good day, students. How are you all? Today we will study GK. Open your books and take a pencil so that you can do the work with me. Yes, students, open your GK book to page number 13. 1313. Write CW and date 10/8/20. The topic is oceans and continents. How many oceans are there and how many continents are there? We will see in the book. Yes, write CW and today's date on oceans and continents. There is a map given to you, and in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are marked. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. These are the oceans. You have to write their names. And then there are 7 continents. They are labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So you have to find out the names of those continents according to the map and write their names. So first we will read about the chapter. Oceans are the larger bodies of water on earth. Yes, they are the larger bodies of water. बहुत बड़े बड़े समुद्र जिन्हें कहते हैं हम. There are 5 oceans on the earth. There are 5 total oceans on the earth, big ones. Continents are larger bodies of land. Now, oceans are the larger bodies of water and continents are the larger bodies of land. Separated by oceans. Oceans are in between them which are separating these continents. There are 7 continents on the earth. On the earth there are total 7 continents and they are divided by 5 oceans. In between them there are oceans. Okay. So this you can study more clearly with the help of the map. Observe this colorful map of the world and write the names of continents and oceans on the blanks. Now there is a help box given here and all mixed names are given of oceans and continents. You have to select oceans, write in the ocean column and select continents and write in the continents column, but you have to be careful according to the numbers. Now see, first ocean is Pacific. So write here Pacific. 1 number is written here in the box. Here you write down Pacific and same you will write here on 1 number Pacific. Okay. Second is, what is second? Arctic Ocean. ARCTIC. Arctic Ocean. Number 3 is Atlantic. ATLANTIC. This you will write here near number 3. Number 4, Indian Ocean. You know why Indian? Because it is close to India. See, this is the map of India and it is close to India. So it is Indian Ocean, named after the name of a country. So India is our country. So it is named Indian Ocean. Right here on near number 4, INDIAN, Indian Ocean. Number 5th is Antarctic. ANTARCTIC. Be careful with the spelling because there is a place Antarctica and there is a ocean Antarctic. Okay. Now we come to continents. These 5 you will write here. I will send you the PDF so you can write it from here. Now continents A. Now which is the A continent? North America. Right here North America. NORTHAMERICA. B. South America. SOUTHAMERICA. South America. C. Antarctica, Antarctica, Antarctica. D, Africa, Africa, Africa. E, on top, Europe, Europe, Europe. F, Asia, Asia, Asia. And G, Australia, Australia, Australia. Now turn the page. Now page number 14 is my organs, our body parts. They are also called organs. Here are some internal organs. जो हमारे बॉडी के अंदर के पार्ट्स होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं internal organs. Write the correct name of the organ. Now they are giving you the hint and you have to write that name of that particular organ. See, the picture is also given. It is the most important organ of our body. Very important organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. पूरी बॉडी में ये blood circulation pump करता है. This is heart. 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 Write it down because here no help box is given. So please write heart. Second, now this is the shape of our skull, our brain. It lies inside our head, in our head, and controls our thoughts, feelings and memory. Whatever we are thinking, whatever feeling we have, sad, happy, and whatever memory, हमें क्या याद रहता है, हम क्या भूल जाते हैं, all these things are controlled by our brain. BRAIN. Okay, brain. Next, third is, these are 2 in number. They are 2 in number. They help in breathing. They help us in breathing. सांस लेने में help करते हैं हमको, breathe करने में. Lungs, LUNGS, lungs. Okay. Fourth one, this is the picture of a largest organ in our body. It is the largest organ. सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है हमारी बॉडी का, अंदर के बॉडी पार्ट्स का. ये हमें नजर नहीं आते हैं, दिखते नहीं है. दे आर इनसाइड आवर स्किन. बाहर से आपको सिर्फ स्किन दिखती है. दीज आर द इंटरनल पार्ट्स. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन इन आवर बॉडी. इट हेल्प्स इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड. जो हम खाना खाते हैं उसको अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट करने में ये हमारी हेल्प करता है. द नेम इज LIVER, liver. LIVER, liver. Number 5th, it is like a thick bag in our body. ये हमारे को ऐसा शेप में लग रहा है, thick bag है. It stores the food we eat for digestion. हम जो भी खाते हैं वो हमारा इसी बैग में जाके स्टोर होता है. This is called stomach, यानी आपका पेट. STOMACH, stomach. Okay. Last 6th one is, these are 2 in our body. ये भी हमारे 2 हैं, 1, 2. They remove the waste products from the blood. Blood में जितनी भी impurities और waste product होता है वो उसको clean करते हैं and produce urine, and we urinate. You go to washroom, isn't it? So this part is helping you. These are the kidneys. What are they? Kidneys. 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 So this chapter is related to your science part, okay? So you will learn these spellings and their hint. Okay? Understood everybody? Very easy. Thank you. Yes, students. Now next page, page number 16. Science quiz. It is very easy. The answers are given in the help box. You have to select from here and write. Fill in the blanks using the help box. Malaria is caused by the bite of a mosquito. मच्छर, मस्कीटो मतलब मच्छर के काटने से मलेरिया होता है. MOSQUITO. Check the spellings from help box and write. Okay. Second, the earth rotates from west to east. The earth rotates, earth घूमता है घूमती है from west to east. Third, dash, liquid and gas are the 3 states of matter. In science you will study there are 3 types of matter. solid, liquid and gas. SOLID, solid. Number 4, the dash is protected by the skull. The brain is protected by the skull. ऊपर तो skull दिखता है और अंदर brain होता है. 5th one, the longest key on a computer keyboard is called space bar. I think everybody knows, isn't it? सबसे लंबी जो की है कीबोर्ड पे कंप्यूटर के, that is space bar. 5th one. 6th one, a person who travels into space, जो space में travel करता है, is called an astronaut. ASTRONAUT, astronaut. 7th, the earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. There are planets, 9 planets are there. The earth is on the 3rd number. Okay. 8th, Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury सबसे छोटा planet है in size. Number 9th, seismograph is an instrument used for measuring earthquakes. जब भी earthquake आता है, भूकंप जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में, तो उसको measure करने के लिए seismograph is used. कि earthquake की क्या speed थी. SEISMOGRAPH. Last 10th one, quinine is obtained from the bark of the cinchona tree. It is a type of medicine, and nowadays corona is going on, and in corona this medicine is used, quinine. Okay, it is used and it is obtained from the bark. ट्री का जो बार्क होता है वो कौन सी ट्री है? cinchona. CINCHONA. All of you understood the chapter? So we will study about similes. Choose the correct option and complete these common similes. These are incomplete similes. You have to select the correct options given to you ABC and you have to complete it. First one, as brave as a lion. Lion बहुत brave होता है, किसी से डरता नहीं. So as brave as a lion. Second, as proud as a peacock. 3 options are given: peacock, lamb, pigeon. So peacock. Peacock is very proud of the beauty. Third, as wise as an owl. Owl बहुत wise होता है, बहुत ही wise. सोचता है चुपचाप and then करता है. as wise. Fourth, as busy as a bee. बी को देखा है, हनी बी को. पूरे टाइम सारी हनी बीज बहुत बिजी रहती हैं हनी बनाने में और उसको स्टोर करने में. वेरी बिजी. सो एज बिजी एज अ बी. फिफ्थ, एज स्वीट एज हनी. हनी बहुत मीठा होता है, शहद. सो एज स्वीट एज हनी. सिक्स्थ, एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज एन ऑक्स. ऑक्स देखा है ना, बैल. as strong as an ox. Ox बहुत strong होता है. Seventh, as cunning as a fox. Fox is very cunning by nature. So as cunning as a fox. चालाक लोमड़ी. पढ़ी होगी ना हिंदी में स्टोरी. Eighth, as gentle as a lamb. Lamb बहुत ही polite होता है. And the 9th one is as faithful as a dog. As you already know, और आप लोगों ने as a pet रख भी रखा होगा dog. Dog is very very faithful. So all of you understood these similes. Write these answers correctly and learn the spellings and learn these similes also. Okay? Thank you.